Eid Mubarak, mommy. Eid Mubarak, everyone. Eid Mubarak, everyone.
Eid Mubarak! Eid Mubarak, everybody!
Eid Mubarak, everybody.
Eid Mubarak!
Like this background then. Nothing here, nothing here. Just us. Stop!
Let's try to up close if it's good.
It's nice.
Why am I dancing? Eid Mubarak, everybody!
Eid Mubarak, everybody.
Eid Mubarak, everybody!
Eid Mubarak.
Eid Mubarak, everybody!
Eid Mubarak, everybody.
Me and my sister running all around. We are twins and we
Ate, look.
Do you realize me? Do you still realize me?
Mahmoud.
Lugar natin Mario. Baka yung penang ano nito kayo? Big Ay, magkano ka na?
Fine. Baskin Robbins.
Turn it around, like.
Umabal, maganda siya.
Why for others that and why for me is this?
Okay, Mariam. Video pala yun.
Kaya video nga. Gusto niya kasi na video siya. Alas? Smile. Oh, you like it? How about Tito Ryan? You like your food? Hi. That I thought it was not the part of the decoration.
What is one?
Mariam, look! Go there.
This is your pen. Ate Tim.
My pen?
Yes. And this is up for Mariam.
My tablet.
Yeah, tablet. Tablet na. And this is for Mom.
Thank you. Yes, AirPods for
But this is
mommy.
enough for you?
Yes.
How about this Mariam?
Yeah, she won't be happy.
You can open up.
You are happy, Mariam?
That's not how you open it. It has this one.
So you will shake only? You will shake? Mariam, you will share to Ate Tim?
Probably she would want share.
You will not share?
Share the You will share? Okay.
You will share or you will not share?
I'll say.
Huh?
So what you will...
But how about you? This is enough for you? Only
Yes.
pen?
That's all what I need. I need a pen. I need to see if it's working.
Mariam, what you
Open
will...
now, you open.
Mariam, what you will say now to Tito Ryan? She just woke up. What you will say to Tito Ryan?
No.
Thank you. Say it. Why? You have to say thank you. Look. Read.
Baby, your mama, baby.
This for you.
This is for you, Mariam.
You like it?
Open now, you open.
So,
I will give this one to Mariam so that she can use. No problem.
Still a kid.
Yeah.
She's still a kid. She's 4. I mean 5.
Yeah, but you try now to
I know. I'm searching for my phone.
Yeah, I think. Oh, this is one for you also, Mariam. Ate Tim maybe next
time.
Eid.
Next Eid because you are big already. Okay? So next time for you, ate. Okay?
No, give this one to Mariam also.
No secrets. I don't want to tell secrets.
No. Give now to. No. Give this one to Mariam also.
No, try if
You
it's
try now.
compatible in your phone.
I know. How do you open this?
Open it.
Open. I will open. Okay. Oh, you open up. This is same password.
Password. You know the password, Mario? It's the same like your phone.
Yeah, the same. And you use this one. But don't use this pen, huh? Because this is pen.
I
See?
read it there.
This is pen. Okay. But you can use this one and this one. See. Okay.
Try it, Mariam. Don't make bukaka. So this one here, ito kuya?
Oh,
Ba't ganito talaga to?
you don't remove it.
Don't tap. Ano man yan, Fatima?
Here, here, here.
It's still loading.
Yeah, it's still loading. Why? Very.
Samsung Galaxies like that.
Wow. Wow. Who is happy now?
Okay now, you open now. Try now to open.
So say thank you to Tito Ryan.
You're still stretching.
Say thank
Oh,
you.
this is your
Same
password.
password.
Oh, this is open.
Oh, try.
Try now, this one.
Right.
Yes.
What?
Oh, press.
Oh, I think it worked.
Yeah.
Oh, here.
7-3.
Oh, it's working now.
You are happy? What you will say to Tito Ryan? Say thank you.
How about you, Ate Tim? It is enough for you to use this one only.
Share.
Mariam, you will share to Ate Tim. Ah, good.
So what
Which
you
one?